Welcome back to the bench. After the last episode, where we completely swapped out the axle housings, we are officially ready for the next step. Today, we're tackling a major performance upgrade and replacing those stock plastic portal hub covers with some heavy-duty brass ones. Let's get these parts taken out so we can see what we're working with. Just looking at these fresh out of the package, these brass portal covers look like fantastic quality. They're incredibly beefy and heavy, but the machining looks very precise and well made. The pack actually includes a fresh set of bearings, but I'm going to stick with the upgraded bearing set I already have installed on the rock van. By swapping these out, we are gaining about 54 grams of weight right at the wheels. This is exactly what our van needs, and it is really going to plant it to the ground on the steep climbs. Alright, now that the new covers are prepped, let's start putting everything back together. Time for the grease. I'm using my go-to red end tacky again, making sure all of these portal gears have plenty of coverage to keep things running smooth and quiet. I actually missed a bearing during this step and had to take the whole thing apart later, just to seat it properly. Learn from my mistake. Just so you know, there are a total of 4 bearings per wheel that you need to account for. With the first one sorted, it's time to do that same process 3 more times for the rest of the corners. And just like that, we are all done. I am super happy with how this turned out. We are lowering our center of gravity a ton with these brass covers, and as an awesome bonus, our entire axle assemblies are now fully metal. Thanks so much for watching today's build. Next time we are diving into the gearbox case, so make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss it. Bye.